If you travel and need some stickers, head on over to Michael's. They have a lot of the different countries on clearance right now for $2. And then there are a bunch of these tags throughout my store that you see right here that says new lower price. But it's still $5 for these stickers, and I just feel like that's not right. Like, that can't be the new lower price, right? So I don't know if they just haven't changed the little stickers here, but let's go find out. So I'm gonna take this one. It's $4.99. Let's go scan it and see what it comes up. So right here at our scanner, this is the one that I had grabbed. So let's see. No, it is still $4.99. How is that a new lower price? That seems really, really expensive. If you need paper, they have some on clearance for $4. It's originally $6.99. These are my stickers I'm getting, but you can see there's some more over there as well. They have these larger packs on clearance for $12, originally $19.99. There's some glitter ones over here as well, but they are also on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. I do not need washi, but this one's really cute. Like, look at this one right here. It's clear. How cute is that? And then look at these florals. Those are really, really pretty. I like those. There's actually some birthday washi as well. Super, super cute. Then they have flowers over here. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love the blue flowers, but really cute flowers. I just don't know if these go on sale if you just have to use a coupon. Look at this, you guys. Their paper pads are back to $5. So it says originally $10. They're half off right now for $4.99. Super good deal if you need any paper pads. These are supposed to be like the kids beads, but they actually have some really, really cute beads over here. Like, look at these flower ones. They got rainbow ones. They have glow in the dark, which I think would be really cute for like Halloween. There's some round ones. There's some little kits down here. There's these cases as well. Look at these pretty stars. There's like a star within a star. Look at these pearl ones. Those are really pretty too. They have some like alphabet kits down here. Some more little like alphabets. Some really cute stuff. Oh, look at the charms over here. Oh, look, there's like a little metallic case. But like, here are all their charms. Those butterflies are really pretty right there. There's some more, some like best friends over here. They have chains and strings. Oh, look, they have like clay beads up there. Really cute little section. I hardly ever come to Michael's, but they got some cute stuff. Oh, look at the clay flower ones. Butterflies, hearts, stars. Really cute if you can get a good coupon. Oh, look, I like this little set right there. That would be worth buying if you have like a good coupon to add. Only $5. I really like that round set right there. Look at a little further down. They actually have findings over here as well. Look at this. They have silicone beads now. And they even have alphabet ones. How cool is that? If you can get a decent coupon, these would be really good to get as well. And if you don't like shopping on Temu, this is a great alternative. I get these all on Temu because they're better, but I know some people don't like shopping with them. Look right here in the jewelry section. Tons and tons of beads. Yeah, I have not been here in a very, very long time. They now have like things color coordinated. I love that. Like, look. You just gotta shop on down. Oh, look at all these beads right here. And the holes actually look large enough that they might fit on a beadable pin. Okay, I need to like download the app again and check if there's any coupons because I need some of this stuff. Like, look at these kits too. These kits are really, really nice as well. There's like bags and a different variety of stuff. Really, really nice stuff. Oh, I like these. Look, you get like different colored metals. There's some black and white with silver and gold. Really great mix of stuff.